Apparently, the first Morse code message was sent in 1838. If you want to learn it, stay tuned, I'll show you how. Welcome to the Ham Radio Junkie, with me, Keith. This is part 4 in our series on how to learn Morse code. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can find the others in the series. So let's just have a recap and see how far we've got. In part 1 we did 5 letters, and then the next 5 in part 2 and the next 5 after that. Today in part 4 we're going to do another 5 letters. So let's get straight into it, and here's the first letter. It's P. Q. R. S. And T. And now all the letters together. And now some text using all the letters from A to T. Now to check your answers against what was sent. As always, starting at the top left hand corner, working down the page all the way to the bottom right. As I always say, wait until all the letters are on the page and then pause it and check against what you've written down yourself. So let's have a recap on what we've learnt so far. Hopefully you've done part 1, 2, 3 and today part 4. You're absolutely storming through this and hopefully you're getting more and more right. So I hope you'll find this of interest and hopefully you're learning more Morse day by day. If you like what I'm doing, please give us a thumbs up so I know that it's actually helping. Even think about subscribing. So my name's Keith, my call sign is G0FEA and I'm the Ham Radio Junkie. I'll catch you next time.